So this is part 2 of my last video. I had to cut all this out because, reasons. But we learned how to set up our ratios with using sin, cosine, and tangent. So SOHCAHTOA. Now we're going to learn how to set up an angle. Not set up an angle. Find a side of a triangle using SOHCAHTOA. So let's go and set up our triangle right here. We'll do this long triangle. Alright, we've got a right angle set up. We will put this as 36, right? And let's use tangent. How about that? Yeah, let's use tangent. So that's our hypotenuse, right? Here's our opposite. So we're trying to find the opposite. So find A. That's our objective. And let's say this is 26 right here. That side is 26. We know that this is the opposite because it's the opposite side of that angle, right? And don't mind the stuff in the background. It's just my mom and dad doing some work. So then we also know this is the adjacent because it's on the side of the right angle and that angle, our focus angle. So what we're going to do is we can set it up like this. Tan 36 equals A over 26, right? And what we can do is multiply both sides by 26, right? Let's put parentheses around all that. And around here. So on this side, 26 times 26, that cancels out, right? And then we have 26 times tan 36. What you can do is get your handy dandy calculator, right? Turn on. Sorry, last video. And do 26 times, what is that? Tan 36. Alright. Close parentheses. And that equals 18.9. So we're saying that this angle right here, not this angle, this side, A equals, so 26 times tan 36 equals 18.9. So we did tan, right? Now let's do cosine. So set up a quick triangle right here. Probably my worst triangle yet. And let's do cosine. So SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. So we know that cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So I don't know, let's say this is 42, right? And then let's say that our adjacent is 30. Oh, that's a weird 3. 32. And we're trying to find this right here. We're trying to find A again. You know what? Let's name this X so we don't get confused. So X. So what we can do is, we know that this is our adjacent because it's on the same side as both angles, the right angle and the focus angle. And we know that this is the hypotenuse because it's right across from the right angle. So what we can do is, I'm going to do cosine 42 is equal to A over 32, right? I'm at X. Let's erase that and put X. So X over 32, right? And then what we're gonna do is it's kind of just like last one, right? So we can do 32 on both sides, multiply them, 32 times 32, that cancels out. So 32 times cosine 42. Let's rewrite that. 32 times cosine 42. Right? And that equals, well, let's find out. So 32 cosine 42, those are parentheses, 23.8. So 32 times cosine 42 equals 23.8. So 23.8. And that's how you find a missing side with trigonometry.